Okay, so my phone was facing some charging issues. The battery was kind of fucked up, so here's a power bank that my father bought me. Here's the unboxing video. Hope you like it. Yeah, I don't have a knife right now, so uh, by the way, it's my new laptop. Uh, Okay, so how do I open it? From how do I do that? Okay. It looks good, if I'm being honest. There it is. What is it called again? Mega Star Surge Storm, whatever. Just here's the power bank, kind of, or no, it's just transparent view. You can see the insides, and there's the power switch. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.